All right, here we go. We got the KAUGIC. We're going to be running it now, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So once you have this, you need to make sure that you are running, okay? You need to make sure that the light is going to go green. So when you go to set it up, you're going to make sure the light goes green on it, and then you're going to line it up here, okay? Don't press that button. We're keeping this video. All right, don't press that button. I just soaked everything in the house. That is fantastic. But don't press that button. So you're going to line it up right here once it is green. Okay, just like that. Wow, making mistakes here. All right, so you're going to go ahead and change it. We're going to rotate it over to soft. I think that water went everywhere, by the way. And now what we're able to do is you stick it up against the ear canal. And it says to do, now I've already tested this out one time. It says to do up to 10 to 15 seconds. We're going to see what 5's like. It says start on soft, and then I'll show you how to do this. So here we go. So there you go. Just like that. We got one side clean. And that is, wow. So you're able to kind of give you a little tug on the ear. Clean up everything nice and easy. And you can see how easy it was, and all the dirty water is going to go into the filter area and down below. You can't see the dirty water. Honestly, I'm kind of glad you can't see the dirty water, and that's simply because you have the sewage side on one side. I kind of like that because I'd probably be just a little about the dirty water if I did see it. But that is it. At the end of the day, super easy. Now you can go to the next ear and clean that out with no problems. Guys, check out the KAUGIC. This is a pretty cool little machine. You got to definitely check it out.